Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'll be teaching us how to insert this bobbinet underneath the dress. So this pink is for this pink dress. The purple one we did yesterday is for the purple dress. So let's just use only this pink as our to make our tutorial. So what you need to do is, since I do not have an interlocking machine yet, so what I do is I do already made turning, so you cannot see any seam line outside. So what we just do right now is just to trim all this excess thread from our dress, and we are good to go. After that, we open our lining. So the bobbinet is going to sit on our lining. Do you understand? So after fixing the bobbinet, we can do finishing by trimming every other thing. So let's not allow this video to be too long. Let's just get started. What you do now, this is the zipper allowance, right? So I cut out these two stuff so that they could stand out like this, because this is on that same line where I joined each other, where I joined the half bodies, the upper bodies to the skirt area. That's where I'll be fixing my bobbinet. So right now I'm placing this here right now. Can you see this? Can you see that? So let me give you a close shot. Sorry. So can you see this? So I think this shot is close enough. So now we make sure we align our dress correctly, so that nothing underneath here will come and fold like this. Do you get? So align this correctly, then we move this. So we start pedaling our machine after arranging. Can you see this? Can you see that? So can you see that? We do this all the way to the second zipper allowance area. Can you see this? So let's do that off camera and come back and show you the finished look. Then we can also iron it together. Do you understand? So before you insert this stuff, before you insert this stuff, this underskirt bobbinet, you need to make sure you have ironed your dress, because this dress is actually a blazer dress and it has key splits. So I make sure I've ironed the key split on the dress before I insert this stuff. Do you understand? So after inserting, I just iron the key slits over this, then this just stays correctly. So let's just go off and do this sewing off camera, because I know everybody can do this. I'm just trying to explain. So see you later. So guys, can you see we are close to the finish line here already? Can you see this? So let's just do this together. Now I'm going to just go straight down to the end of this line. You have to be very careful. Keep opening up your fabric so that it doesn't go and tangle somewhere. So now we are going to cut out the excess. Can you see this? We cut out the excess like this. Then now, after cutting out the excess, can you see this? We face this down to the skirt area. This is the skirt area. We face it down to the skirt area and sew it down to the zipper allowance. Just sew it down here. So let's just do it together so that we can. Ouch, sorry, my phone is very close to my hand, that's why. Sorry for the shaky whatever just now. So we sew this down. After sewing this down, we bring it out. Trim out the excess. Trim it well. We don't want it piercing the child's skin. Do you understand? So we do this for the second part and we are done. Then we will go iron. So do this for the second area. This second area here. Can you see that? It's really easy. Just need you to take your time so that your fabric doesn't fold. here, this is a neat job now. So what you just need to do is to trim out all your excesses. You don't want to see. So let's go iron together. So welcome back, guys. For this is now we are trying to iron, right? You need to iron your bobbinet down first. Let's move our phone a bit. So can you see that I had to put a white fabric on my jean fabric so that it doesn't stain the pink fabric? So iron your bobbinet down so that the wings can calm down small. Do you understand? Only the bobbinet. Do not scatter your kissing pleats that you have ironed before on your skirts. Can you see? To iron this now, you need patience to iron your bobbinet down so that the wings can come down. Only the bobbinet first. Can you see that? Then now, after that, you iron your lining. We want the inside of our dress to be very neat. Iron your lining. Right? Can you see how neat this is? Can you see it? Neat and impeccable. So you just iron it together with the bobbinet. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I can't be ironing later again. But let's just do what we are here for together. So after ironing, can you see that this part? Can you see how it's jumping up here? So now we will align. Open your dress like this. Open it up. The back of your dress. You make sure you iron. You see, I'm arranging it. Arrange it very well like this. Let's arrange this correctly. You arrange this correctly first. Arrange it. This is a peplum or whatever. Arrange the back, then iron this down. And can you see the process of ironing this? Iron the bobbinet down first before you now place the front piece over it and iron it correctly. Can you see this? Make sure that before you iron, you arrange the back of your skirt. I mean the kiss split, like I told you earlier. The kiss split has to be very, very, very aligned. Align them correctly. Can you see that it's no more jumpy here again? So can you see the process to make this dress come out beautiful? Can you see this? So we have done this. Now we start aligning our front pleats. Then we start ironing. Can you see this? If you are working on a fabric that can get stained, please make sure you put a white fabric on top of your ironing clothes. Do you understand? So now, can you see this? I iron this well to come out nice. I don't need to stress you guys with too much ironing. I can do the ironing off camera, but I just want to show you the process. So that you not say, I tried it and it didn't work. It will work if you do the correct thing. So let me just give you a close shot. Can you see this? What I just need to do is to open up this lace correctly and iron it well. Do you see? This wasn't here before, but the bobbinet, you know, is very thick. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.